What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a Plunger Cameraman Imposter. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of the page at the top edge of the hood. We're going to start over on the left side, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. Now on the left side we're just going to angle this down and across. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's round up the left side, coming down and out. Now I just want to angle this back towards the back side of the head with a straight line. From the back, let's follow that same angled line that we have in the front, going up toward the top. Connect the outside to the inside with a straight angled line. Let's connect the top corners with a slight curve. We're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then bend that down. Now we want to tuck the face of the camera in behind. So from the top corner, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. Go all the way across towards the left. Now we're going to tuck this up underneath. Now from that bottom corner, follow that same angled line going across towards the back and pull that straight up. Let's wrap the right side, coming around and then in behind. Let's trace the front face of the camera along the inside. We'll start along the top with a straight line, come down the side, go across the bottom toward the left, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's add that small light along the bottom left. We'll start with an oval, going all the way around, and then back up. And we'll just trace that along the inside. From the bottom of our oval, follow that same angle line going out towards the back. Curve the back of the light, and just tuck that in underneath. Let's add that wire along the bottom, coming down and then in, step in and draw that again. Now we're going to tuck the body in underneath. From the bottom corner of the camera, let's step in, bend this out, come all the way down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go underneath the wire on the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, come down and then up on the left. Go to the right side, do the same thing, and we're going to leave a gap in between. Let's go up on the left side towards the body and step in, go across and then bend that up, and we'll tuck the right leg in underneath the body. Now we're also going to place the backpack along the left side. From the bottom corner, step in, curve around and then in, round at the bottom and pull that in towards the body. Now let's add some more detail to the body. On the top right, step in, curve this down and then in towards the center, and this out and then up. From that center point, draw a straight line coming down. Let's round out the bottom of the jacket, going out toward the left and then up. Go back to the center, come down and then bend that out towards the right. Now halfway along this line, angle the collar coming down and out. Bend this down and then in toward the center. And out on the left and up underneath the light. Let's go halfway along this top line, going up and out, and then just tuck the collar in underneath the head. Let's add some detail along the top. Leave a small gap in the center, draw two straight angled lines coming down and out along the bottom of the collar, angle that up and out. Let's add in the tie. From the inside of the collar, angle this down and in, close off the bottom, and then from the bottom corners of the tie, come out and down in behind the jacket. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw one small circle for the pocket. Now we're going to detach the hand on the right side of the body. Let's start from the wrist. Just going to swirl this all the way around, go up towards the top of the thumb, come down, let's round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. And we're going to draw the outside of the mitt. Starting from the top, outside of the thumb, going all the way around, come down, and just pull that up along the bottom of the thumb. Let's go back to the palm, step in, curve around the bottom, and then up in behind. Now we're gonna draw the top of the plunger in behind the head. So we're gonna line up at the center, go all the way up to the top. We're gonna draw an oval, going all the way around towards the outside, up towards the top, and then in behind the head. Let's draw the inside edge of the plunger. We're gonna step up, follow that curve, going all the way around, and then up towards the side, step back, curve the top, going around, and then down. Now underneath, we're gonna draw a half circle, coming down, and just pull that up. Let's add a small half circle along the bottom, just up above the hand. And I want to draw the handle coming straight down. Underneath, draw 2 straight lines coming down in behind the hand. Let's continue these 2 lines underneath the hand, coming down towards the bottom. And then we'll round out the bottom of the handle. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Plunger Cameraman Imposter. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.